Okay, we're gonna do a little cook today. Just for lunch, we just come out in the woods here just to get out for a little bit. Got our Teton pack. And we got a new collapsible chair that we tried out one other time. We're gonna test it out again today. Very nice, comfortable chair. Get you off the ground, let you rest your back against something, and take the weight off your feet. Just nice to have, just to sit back and relax. Okay, here's what we brought today. We just picked this Uco 4-piece mess kit up. Has a sealable lid, and it comes apart, and you got a bowl here and a plate up here that you can use. We got our Stanley cook pot here, and brought the Pathfinder stainless steel skillet. Gonna be using that. Okay, for lunch today, got our GSI base one here. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2. We're using a Primus canister right now, but there's not too much left in that. Then we got a new one here to try out. A new brand. Ole Camp 4 Season. So we'll be trying that one out probably too. All right. Today we got our Uco 4-piece mess kit that we just bought. It's a 2-piece sealable lid. Has a bowl, a plate, a tether, a spork, and we got our lunch in here today. Got a hash brown. We got a couple eggs. We got some veggies here, some onions, peppers, and broccoli. And of course, our coffee. And we're going to be using the Pathfinder stainless steel skillet today. And we got our Stanley little cook pot there that we can boil our water in. Got everything in here. We got our base. We got our MSR Pocket Rocket 2 stove. We keep our cylinder in here. Sometimes it's hard to get out. GSI Outdoors coffee brew. It's right on your Sea to Summit cup, or any cup as far as that goes. Put our coffee in up here, get our water boiling, pour it slowly around and the coffee. I think we're drinking Starbucks holiday blend. Okay, our water is boiling already, so look at that. The key is to pour the water real slow, so it has the chance to permeate the grounds and not just hurry up and drain through. It'll give you a stronger cup of coffee. Okay, there's a cup of nice, freshly brewed coffee. Got some olive oil here. We just got a can of chunk chicken breast there we put in there. We'll give her a little salt and pepper. This is our GSI salt and pepper shaker. We boiled our water for our coffee here in this Stanley cook pot, I believe it's called. Very nice pot to have. Your fuel canister fits in there, your base, and your stove. And there's enough room for a lighter. It's nice with the Pathfinder stainless steel skillet because it comes with this nice stainless steel lid that you can put on there while you're cooking. It helps your food cook faster. So I was going to get the Stanley stainless steel cook pan, and that comes with a little cutting board and some plastic plates. But I decided against it because it just has a plastic snap-on lid, and I figured this would be more beneficial. And this is the second time I used it, and it does make a difference having a nice lid. Okay, we cracked 2 eggs in here. Just gonna scramble this up. It's looking good. We got the red bell pepper in there, some broccoli, 2 eggs, a can of chunk chicken, and some onion. Okay, there it is. Now we got a hash brown here we're gonna cook next, and that'll be our luncheon. I really like this Eno. Yuko, I guess it is. I called it Eno. I really like this Yuko 4-piece mess kit. Nice little bowl. Contains your food in there very nicely. Got a hash brown cooking there. Okay, here's our lunch. Looks good. I didn't even use the plate part of this today. Just using the bowl here, but it's very nice. Very nice. Okay guys, just a little bit of a review. This is the second time using the Pathfinder stainless steel skillet. I like the size. I like that it has a lid. But the only thing I don't like is everything sticks to the bottom. But I guess that's to be expected with stainless steel. We were using the Primus canister. I don't know if it's because it's low or just because it was really cold. My stove would keep dying down and it just didn't have much heat. So I switched to the old camp canister. It was a full canister, and when I left home, it was in the house warmed up, so it didn't have much time to get real cold, so it worked really well. I don't know if it was because of that or if it's because it says on there it's 4 seasons, but we'll do some more testing on that. As far as the mess kit, yeah, UCO 4-piece mess kit, I really like that. We got our GSI little coffee screen there to put on our Sea to Summit cup. And another nice thing with this UCO kit here is I can put all my garbage in there. I got my sport, I got my eggshells in there, my empty can, baggies. There's my coffee thing. That'll all fit in there, and this lid will fit down on there nicely and keep everything contained as far as the garbage goes. So yeah, that's about it for that. We're just gonna finish our cup of coffee here out of our Sea to Summit collapsible cup, which is very handy, very nice. Okay guys, we will see you on the next one, and thanks for watching the video. And if you like what we're putting out there, please give us a like and a comment, and please subscribe. We'll catch you next time.